Hello, welcome back to grade 1 CBC. We are still looking at substrand 1 number concept in mathematics activities. So today we are looking at lesson 8. Today in this lesson we are going to look at several things. One, we are going to look at shape patterns, number patterns, and finally we will finalize with letter patterns. Now, what is a pattern? A pattern is something that you can follow. For example, when you look at this example here, we have identify which shape comes next in the pattern. You can follow. For example, we have an oval here which is red, followed by a green rectangle, followed by a yellow triangle. Then we are back to square one. We begin with our red oval. Then obviously what comes next, we know that it will be a green rectangle followed by a yellow triangle. Then again, what comes next? We are back to square one, where we are having our red oval. Then we now have this blank space here, and we finalize with our yellow triangle. Therefore, we are being told to identify which shape will fill here. So automatically, when you look at what we are having immediately after our oval, what comes next is normally a green rectangle. Therefore, when you look at this in our next, you're going to see that we still have an oval here. Therefore, what comes next is going to be a triangle. That is not a triangle really, but a rectangle. Therefore, this rectangle is going to fill in that space. We can confirm from our answer here. You can see that we have dragged that to what we are having up there. So we are going to look at the next example where we are having uh, number patterns. Then from there we are going to look at letter patterns. So right away, let us look at number patterns. So we have the numbers down here, and the question says drag and drop the next number in the pattern. So the numbers are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so the 10 we are having here is right here. The 9 we are having here is right here. Then the 8 is blank, 7 is blank, then 6 is right here, then 5 is blank, 4 is right here, 3 is right here, then 2 is right here, then 1 is blank. So automatically we know the numbers that are going to fit. So 1 will fit here, then 5 will automatically fit this space here, then 7 will fit there, and 8 will fill in the space we are having on that end. Let's look whether we got it right. So that is our answer there. When you look at it, we are having our 1, we are having our number 1 right here, and we are having the 5 that we filled here, we have the 7 here, and finally we have the 8 there. You can see now clearly that that is what we got after we have dragged the numbers to where they are supposed to be. So let's look at another example here where we are having letter patterns. So we are going to look at letter patterns. The letters we are having here are the ones we are having here. So we are going to drop the letters to where they are supposed to be. We have letter A, letter E, letter I, O, and letter U. Therefore, what are you going to do here? We are going to look at the pattern. After A, we have this letter. After I, we have O, and after that, we have this. So A is right here. The E is blank. E is there. Then this letter is right here. Then this other one is blank. So we are going to choose from the ones we are having here. Automatically, this letter will fill here. Therefore, we have this dragged there, and this one will automatically fill here because it is the one which is missing. We can confirm that from our response on this end. Now you can clearly see whatever we have dragged, that it fits exactly where it is supposed to be. So when you look at that, that is how we do pattern. You look, you observe, you look at how it appears, what comes after what, and what comes before what. And that is how we do patterns, be it number patterns, letter patterns, or whichever pattern you come across, even shape patterns as we have seen. So that is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, comment below, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you.